My name's Jeremy. I'm with the Atkins Group in Champaign, Illinois, here at Baytown Apartments. We do remodels on the apartments, update them a little bit. So during the remodel process, we remove the cabinets, base trim, doors, flooring, tile. Before the Equipter, we would have to pile it on the floor or in trash cans, and then we'd have to load it up by hand, carry it down 2-3 flights of stairs, load it in a truck, walk it across the parking lot into a dumpster, have fatigue from walking up down the stairs. It took a lot of time, and then we got the Equipter and it made it easier. We were able just to pitch it straight into the Equipter, lower it down, and drive it over to the dumpster and then dump it in there. With the labor shortage in this economy, the Equipter's helped us out because you don't have to have that extra person that's going around and sweeping up and picking up trash and then hauling it down the stairs. Since we've had the Equipter, it's cut us down about a day and a half off our demo schedule. A typical demo before the Equipter would took us about 3 days. Since we've had the Equipter, it's dropped it down to about a day and a half, saving us time from walking up down the stairs and pitching all the trash the old-fashioned way. We've been able to start more remodels during the same time frame. It's made it a lot easier, saved lots of time, and my guys are a lot happier and have more energy on the job site.